In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps shortcut to desktop in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop. From the menu that appears, click View, then make sure Show Desktop Icons is checked. This ensures that your shortcuts will actually be visible on your screen. If you ever want a cleaner or more minimalist look, you can uncheck this option to hide all desktop icons. For this demo, we'll keep it checked since we need to see the app shortcuts we'll create on the desktop. Next, click the Start button and select all apps in the top right corner. Find the app you want to add, then simply left-click and drag it directly onto your desktop. This is the fastest way to create a shortcut. If the drag and drop method doesn't work, click the search icon, type the name of the app, then select Open File Location from the right side menu. In the File Explorer window that opens, right-click the app's shortcut or executable file. Click Show More Options, hover over Send To, and then click Desktop. Create Shortcut. This will instantly place the shortcut on your desktop. If you don't see the Open File Location option, the app is likely a Microsoft Store app. In that case, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box, type shell:/apps folder, and click OK. This will open a hidden folder that contains all installed apps. Find your app in this list, right-click it, and select Create Shortcut. When Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes, and the shortcut will be added to your desktop. As a helpful tip, if you prefer quick access without cluttering your desktop, you can pin apps to your taskbar instead. Just right-click any app in the All Apps list, select More, then click Pin to Taskbar. This keeps your favorite apps easily accessible while maintaining a clean desktop. After following these steps, you'll be able to add shortcuts to your desktop quickly and organize your workspace the way you like. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.